Guten Gardening, everyone. Today is a special day for us, and actually this video is going to be a little bit shorter, but we're giving something away. So you're going to want to stick around until the end to see exactly what that is and how you could win it. This is just over 2 months into the life of our channel, and we just hit 250 subscribers. We started Guten Gardening with a clear purpose in mind, and that is to share our experiences here, changing our yard into an urban garden, a place where we are journeying toward food freedom, and to encourage other people to take some of those steps with us. Now, you know, if you've watched some of our other videos where we've provided tours of our garden, we even have an aerial view of our garden, that we don't have a huge space. Our land is less than 1/4 of an acre, but you can also see that we've really challenged ourselves to transform as much of that space as possible into productive vegetable and fruit bearing space. And that's what we want to encourage other people to do, to take some of the space that you have and transform it so that you're able to have the benefit of some of these vegetables and fruits that are far superior to what you find in the store. I recently saw someone post on one of the gardening Facebook groups that they spent their whole life believing that they didn't like tomatoes until they grew some of their own, and they realized the difference between what you buy in the store and what you can produce on your own land. Well, I just had a tomato before coming over here onto camera, and I agree 100%. I didn't ever really dislike them, but this is a completely different experience, and we want other people to try to join in on at least part of this. If you live in an urban or even a major city setting and all you have is a little space inside an apartment, see what you can grow in pots. If you have, like we do, a small urban homestead of sorts, see what you can do with your raised beds or one of the other creative styles of growing that we've tried to present in some of our other videos. And if you're somebody who is an experienced farmer or you have a more traditional, larger garden area, still, we have videos on here that talk about some of the methods that we all use in growing. And we're always welcome to hearing some of the advice you might have for us. We're still learning and still growing and changing, and we want you to continue to join us on that journey. Last week, we posted a video where we planted some of our carrots using a seeding square, a tool that we have found to be invaluable for this last season and a half's worth of planting. And so, because we just hit this 250 subscriber benchmark, we decided we would like to buy and ship one of these seeding squares to one of you. Now, the way to win the seeding square is very simple. All you have to do is leave a comment down below and share this video with someone else. When this video hits 1,000 views, we will go live on YouTube, and we will use a randomizer to pick one person who commented and send them this square. You may live in a country where this square is not sold at all, or you may have wanted one and never taken the time to purchase or spent the money on it, or you may already have one and want to pass on the love. Regardless, all you need to do, leave the comment and share with someone else so we can get 1,000 views on this video. Again, as soon as that happens, one of you who've commented is going to win. We want to thank you once again for allowing us to be a part of your life. We appreciate the friends and the people that we've met here in the YouTube community. And above all, we hope that we've inspired you in some way to take part in this gardening and gardening experience. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. We have so much other content already on this channel and even more to come. Our front yard and space is coming together nicely. Our fall crops are going into the ground even as we speak. And we just want to enjoy this time with you and hope you take the time to enjoy it with us. Thank you so much for the first 250 subscribers, and here's to the next 250. Have a great morning, evening, day, wherever you are in the world. And please remember, when you're with us, you're good to grow.